Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just in the middle of weeding this border. You can see it's got a lot of sticky weed and sticky buds called goosegrass as well. Also known, it goes mad in the spring. Last year I let this bed just basically do its own thing. But this year, this goosegrass, sticky buds has gone absolutely ballistic in there. So it's basically smothering everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get in here and get rid of it. What I tend to do is pull all the tops off first. See there, that's the bottom there. I'm not going to show you that is. All you need to do then is make sure you get the roots out, because if you just pull the tops off, it's going to have it growing back. All you do then is make sure you get in there and nice, should be nice yellowy roots like that. See the colour there? Those are the yellow roots. And make sure you get all that root up. So just follow it back. Even when it's underneath something like here, look. This is like actually underneath this other plant. So, because if you leave this, it's just going to grow back. You're just going to keep pulling the tops off and not really defeating the plant. Let's give it a good squeeze, make sure you get all the roots out. See there, nice yellow roots. So just having a look here, what we've got here. See this one here, just there, get in again. Like I said, it's a painful process, but hopefully you won't have a bigger problem as this. I've only got a big problem like this because, like I said, I was going to leave it this year. Last year the goosegrass wasn't this bad, but this year, as you can see, it's grown through everything. It just basically spoiled this border. So I want to get in here over the next rest of today, get it all dug up and get it all removed. You end up just one little small portion this, and the reason it's called sticky is because if it gets, when it produces seeds, what happens to the seeds then? Basically look at that, just stick to you and they drop off. That's how they spread. So yeah, that's how you get rid of your goosegrass. If you've got any questions about getting rid of anything you got on, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.